Happy Easter, everybody, to my non-banks gang, and to my banks gang, to my bank vaults, to my bank managers, and to my bank motherfucking tellers. You hear me? Today's video is not sponsored, but it's brought to you by things you could do from the $1.25 tree. I created one of the 5 baskets I'm showing y'all on camera here. Is my juicy woosy not camera. This is this is Bunny Easter basket. Now I put in his some things that I knew he would play with. Let me tell you something. At the Wally World, yeah, one basket, $35 plus tax, bro. No. And then y'all know in Wisconsin the sales tax went up, so it's not even $35. So if you calculate that up, I got 5 children, and that's entirely way too much money. The math ain't mathing. So that's why I went to a $1.25 tree and picked them up some nice little thank you things that I know that they will play with, they will enjoy, and I put it in a basket and made it everybody's day. Okay. And you could put in there what you want to put in there. You ain't got to go to $1.25 tree. Maybe you want to go to Target. Maybe you want to go to the Wally World. Maybe you got some stuff at home. Maybe you bought some things from the Amazon. Maybe you got stuff from the Temu. Maybe you got stuff from the Wish. I don't know. Maybe you got the stuff from the Shein, whatever you call it. I don't know. The choice is yours, honey. But I have something else I would like to say, and that is how y'all like the sound quality of this video. Because I was on the TikTok shop, my first time ever buying something from there. I'm out of breath, y'all. Excuse me. I'm pregnant. Um, yeah, I had bought this microphone and I'm testing it out. I'm doing a little testy. So if the quality of the sound sounds up to par, can y'all let me know down there in the comment section? And if it's not giving what it's supposed to give, then go and comment that down there below too. And I needs to know, because if it's not giving what it need to give, then guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna package it back up in this little thanky thing right here, and I'm gonna put it back in the box and put it in that closet, and it can sit there and collect dust. So I need y'all input. Do it sound good? Is it not sound good? Is it giving yay or the nay? I need you to comment that. Other than that, how y'all feeling? Cause I really would like to know. I done burnt the hell out my damn fingertips using this hot glue gun. I should have used maybe the $1.25 tree hot glue gun sticks, because why did I use the Gorilla Glue? Like, why did I do that? Because my kids, listen, I ain't even gonna get into that. You're gonna hear more about that at the end of the video. But y'all, I was just building this little thing up. Now I seen this guy do this on the TikTok, and he done put bunny rabbit feet and stuff like that on there. But honey, my man got a printer, and the printer ain't here. So it was cut out for me. I done cut up a cardboard box, and I done cut up the little tag to the Easter bunny with the barcode on there. I cut that up and made a little heart for the nose. Now a lot of this stuff I could not record because for some odd reason, I got too many. Well, not for some odd reason. I have way too many drafts in my TikTok um little account. So it's taking up damn near 60 gigabytes of storage. And if I offload the app, still kind of don't do nothing. I done went through text message. I done clunked the whole phone out, honey. And no matter how many times I did that, it only gave me like 6 gigabytes. So I kept running out of storage. So I was trying, okay? Shit, I was trying. Now I need to switch out SD cards to my GoPro or to my Canon or to the other Canon camera I got, and start using them. But Jesus Christ, when you get into the little mood of using one little camera and it be working for you, you kind of stick with that camera. But listen, I got too many cameras. Shit, I done invested too much damn money into this stuff. But yeah, so I was just pinning these little ears up here, honey. You might want to hold them so they won't fall over. Now, please, if you do this and your children runs in and out of your room while you're trying to hide them before the Easter egg hunt start, don't put no, not a towel, a blanket. Don't put no blanket over the bunny ears, because it deflated. Okay, it kind of and the glue is dry. I don't know if the little cardboard plastic piece on the inside broke from the weight of the blanket, and it ain't even like a weighted blanket. It was just a furry blanket. I don't know. But anywho, don't put nothing heavy on top to hide or camouflage the damn basket. Okay, that's all I'm saying. That's what it's looking like, y'all. Oh, look at it, so cute. This why I ran out of storage at when I was thinking like, what can I do for the eyes to make it look more like a bunny, honey? And yeah, y'all, it ran out of storage. Like I'm sick of this shit. So this is what the basket looked like, y'all. I tried, bitch. I did. Now I'm gonna get up off of here because y'all about to hear my children. So I see y'all in the next one. Me love y'all. One. Open. Turn it around, Juicy. I didn't glue it all the way. All right, y'all. That is how our Easter Saturday went. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, because I'm doing a giveaway once we hit 10K subscribers. Okay, and what I'm gonna say with that is, in order to enter the giveaway, follow me on Facebook at Anylah Banks, the only probably Facebook page that there is. DM me a favorite emoji on Facebook. Anylah Banks is the name. And I will be paying attention once we hit 10K subscribers. Then I'm gonna reach out to you, whoever I pick as a winner. And I'm gonna get all your details and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna give you the prize to the giveaway. I don't know what the giveaway gonna be. I don't know if I'm gonna cash app you some money. I don't know if I'm gonna do a gift card. I don't know if I'm gonna buy you something from the Amazon. I don't know. But I'm gonna figure it out. Okay, we gonna chop it up in the DMs about it. If you was to do them bunny baskets or the baskets like that, probably use tape so you could just cut it, because I used the hot glue gun, but I used the Gorilla Glue, and you probably shouldn't use that because my children had a very, 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 very hard time opening it up. We had to use a knife to open it, and that's probably what you don't want to do. So use some tape, okay? I'm gonna just be honest. The next video is going to be a doctor's appointment for the pregnancy vlog, because as y'all know, I mentioned that we are expecting baby number 6, and then Tuesday the 2nd we go to the doctor. So that would be my next uploaded video. If you want to see the pregnancy journey with the family lamb, then make sure you subscribe. All I'm saying is subscribe, because what the fuck is you doing? Why is you not subscribing? Like, what the fuck? Let me know what type of videos y'all want to see from me. I know I'm gonna give y'all some story times here, but I gotta be careful of the story times that I give, because I don't want the feds knocking at my door like they did twice already. So I don't know if y'all want me to do like old wives' tales. I don't know if y'all want to know like my pregnancy cravings. Of course, I'm gonna give y'all updated baby bump pictures and stuff like that. I don't know if I should. I think I'm gonna start doing weekly what's them called, weekly updates of like, because I'm 10 weeks now, so I don't know if I should, whatever, y'all know what the hell I'm trying to say. So whatever videos it is that y'all looking for, make sure y'all comment them down below, because I'm trying to get active back on the YouTube. Damn, this damn bloating, this burping, and this gas, Jesus, I don't know why my ears keep itching like this. Fuck. Yeah, I'm about to go get in the tub of love and go cuddle with my man and go watch me some movies, or probably go watch No That's TV. Cause I will watch anything with Kenzie in it. If anybody know who Kenzie is, listen, I just love Kenzie. I don't know much about Kenzie. I don't know the horoscope sign or not. I love me some Kenzie, okay? And that's on everything. That's on Oh wait, I don't think I want to say Banks Gang. Like, I love Banks Gang, but I think I want to do a little switcheroo with it. I think I want to be a little extra with it, because y'all know I'm a little extra. And then my lingo is so different than the average person. So I was thinking, in his brain of mine, I was thinking like, okay, Banks Gang. Like, okay, that's cool, but what's in the bank? You got the bank vaults. You got the bank manager. But you got the bank tellers. So I was thinking about calling y'all the bank tellers. Like, hey, my bank tellers. I don't know. What y'all think? Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. Y'all make sure y'all let me know down there in the damn comment section, okay? Okay. Shit. Thank you. All right, y'all. I'm outie. Deuces. Me love y'all. Bye.